It's an honor to be part of this anthology, meditating on the traces that creatures leave on our shared home and planet and in our hearts. And I will be reading my contribution, which is a poem by the title of Dusk Scuttles. Here is the trace across from my words. Turkey tracks in the snow. Dusk scuttles. Dusk scuttles quietly, imperceptible as eternity. The moon, an ivory button, emerges gleaming from the vast sky vest. Waves like luminous cats boldly leap across a dark jewel of a sea. Dawn snow is perforated by bird footprints in the shape of airplanes. Or is it fallen stars hurled from heaven, smoldering in the ice? I hope the poem communicates something of the enchantment that I feel towards this marvelous world that we live in. Thank you again for inviting me to be a part of this, and I hope you will discover this book on your own. Peace.